I don't know if you noticed what's going on, but all week really, I've been feeling some kind of way. All I wanted to do was sleep, and I did, but I also followed the plan. Do it while you're sad. Do it while you're feeling off. Show up in your pajamas. Follow the plan. So I showed up. Actually, it was my birthday. So I didn't want to be a party pooper for everybody else. So I celebrated. Plus, it is a day to celebrate. I just never really celebrate anymore. It's complicated. If you know, you know. Now we got sidetracked. If you're still watching this video, follow the plan. Go do what you said you were going to do. Recenter. Have a weekly reset with yourself. Think about the plan you said you were going to do at the beginning of the year and follow that plan. Take the first step forward. Don't drive yourself to the ground. That is not what I said. I said take the first step towards that vision. And that's what I did. Showed up for my birthday. Showed up for my clients. I had a workshop yesterday that I did. Very transformative. If you were there, leave a comment down below. If you want it, leave a comment down below. I'll send you the replay. And I filmed my YouTube video. Right, productive. This is bonus now because I feel good. And you know what? That's the thing with motivation. Motivation shows up after you do the thing. It's like, where were you this morning when I didn't feel like doing the thing? I had to drag myself by myself. A little motivation would have been useful then. But now that I've already done the thing, I'm pumped. I'm filming 17 reels. You saw my son. He is destroying my office right now. Say hi. No, don't eat it. So to celebrate, let's grab a self-love card. You okay? There's a baby over there. I actually haven't opened this before, so we're going to open it together. Level 1. Sounds like we could start there. A little ASMR moment. Apparently people like that. I always thought that was weird. I wish you could see it. My setup is not set up for that. What have you grown to love about yourself? Oh, that's deep. Oh, I'm gonna have to think about that one. Leave a comment down below and I'll let you know when I think it through. Oh, deep. I hope you could hear me. My mic was all the way over there. I'm happy today. And I had a great week. That's the thing when you're in alignment. You're in flow. Everything's falling into place. You're going. It feels effortlessly done. It's sustainable. There's time for rest. There's time for energy. There's time to pour into you. There's time to pour into other people. That's fine too. It's what we do as women and mothers. I pour all of my energy into you, sir. What do you have to say about that? Are you a paid actor? He's so handsome, y'all. He's super cute. I don't know if I've ever officially introduced y'all to my baby. Let me show you. Come, baby love. What's in your mouth? Ah! Cutie. Ah, are you cute? What's this? Give it to me. There's always something in your mouth. What do you think about this question? Ah, no, don't eat. Of course you're trying to eat it. Video is super random. This wasn't meant to be a video. I had a very good day and I just want to tell someone about it. So all week I've been feeling really off, okay? I just wasn't feeling it. I didn't want to do it. I wanted to sleep, which I did. Stop touching things. But I also still showed up and followed the plan. What's the problem? Sir, you can't just put your hands in my bosom like that. Have some decorum. Excuse me. We are recording. Excuse him. We're still teaching manners. I know. Anyway, sir, I'm going to put you down. Okay, bye-bye. Oh no, come back. He gave me that face. I can't take it. Oh. Anyways, one of those weeks where you just really don't feel like doing anything. If you know, January is always a very tough month for me. In fact, my birthday was last week. No, on Monday. I filmed a video today and lied and said today was my birthday because I wanted the flow of the video to go a certain way. So when you see it, that's what happened. I just felt like I had to be honest. Let's just turn this video into a lesson learned. Follow the plan. Even if you don't feel like it, follow the plan. Even if you're unsure, follow the plan. Show up and do your makeup and do it. Whatever it is that makes you feel good about doing what you need to do, whatever you gotta do, continue to do what you need to do. The thing is, when we have a lot on our plate and we start being depleted of our energy, we don't feel good. We need to rest. At least that's my first thing. If I'm really tired, I'm going to sleep. And then from there, I'm taking the next best course of action. And doing that, like recovering really quickly from these emotions, is really important because you can't let your emotions run the show. Very inconsistent. You can't depend on feelings. You're never gonna feel like it. Let's be honest. What do you have to say about that, sir? So I followed the plan this week, even though I really didn't feel like it. And now that I've done that, motivation is here, ladies and gentlemen. This is lesson number 2. Motivation always shows up afterwards. When you're struggling to get out of bed in the morning and you got to do it on your own, well, not on your own, at least you have God, but not motivation. Motivation never shows up. It shows up on Friday after you've gone through the week. Follow the plan. Now you're pumped and you're filming extra YouTube videos, even though that wasn't even part of the plan. This is why I'm here. That's why I said this video wasn't really a video. It wasn't planned. This is why my son is in my arms. And the last thing I want to say is stop trying to do everything at the same time. Sometimes that is the real problem. You just have too much on your plate. You are barely surviving right now. And then you say, I'm going to start a social media business and make money online. And it's like, okay, great. What are you willing to let go then? Oh, you're just going to add that on your plate when you are already barely surviving. Highly would not recommend. You do you. I think that you need to be very mindful of your capacity because you have to take care of yourself. You need to take care of who you are so that you can show up and perform at a higher level. And it's the little things, like showing up when you don't feel like it. That is one of them. Keeping track of what you need to work on. That is another one. Organize yourself. Girl, stop operating in chaos, okay? And then doing like a weekly review, paying attention to where things are going on a weekly basis it's advisable because now you can course correct and you don't have to wait till December. All right. Well, take care. I hope this video gave you a little mindset shift, a little energy shift. If you're just watching and you're like, girl, I really didn't feel like doing nothing. Thank you for the encouragement. You got this. First of all, thank you for the views, but get off social media. Go sleep. This is what I prescribe. Go sleep. And then when you sleep real good, 8 hours if you can, but we do what we gotta do. Then you're going to follow your plan. If you don't have a plan, well, then it's time to draft a plan. What do we want in 2026? What do we want this year? You have to decide. I can't tell you what you want. And I have to go. All right, toodaloo. If you want to watch another video to get you moving, watch this one. And I will see you next time. Yes, next time. Okay, bye. I don't know why I'm making this awkward. Log off, Jen.